What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. All right, pups, today's the day. I mean, it might be the day. I'm trying to, especially you, horse, I'm trying to find you a house with a nice big pasture that you can run in. We're working on it. We're working on it. And Gunner, I don't think you really care. You're not picky at all, man. You adapt to everything, huh, buddy? All right. See you guys later. See you guys later. I gotta go. So yes, today we are continuing our house hunt. It is like day 2 of hunting on the channel, but honestly, this is like house number 6, 7, 8. I don't even know at this point how many we've looked at, but I am definitely looking for something very specific, and the amount of land that I'm looking for is not that easy to come by, especially considering like I don't want to be 2 hours from a grocery store. I want to like have some conveniences. But hey, we got an hour drive ahead of us. Here's to hoping we have enough fuel to make it. We probably don't. I will say though, being that we're more out in the country, out in this area, I thought fuel prices would be a little cheaper. We're still about $3.10 for diesel, $3.50 for 91. And I've also noticed, I don't think anybody appreciates my pink glove out here.
Arrived.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, bud? Ready to do this?
Are you ready?
It's a winery.
It is a winery, yeah. So something really unique about this property is it looks like, I mean, currently I guess it is operating as, oh, don't scratch my paint. Oh, so close. It is currently operating as a winery, I guess. But what I like about it is like all of this is your usable land. It looked a little flatter in pictures, but it's still pretty flat. And then up top there is the actual main house. Oh, and we've got the guard owl. So not only do you have the main house plus the detached 3-car garage that we're all gonna go look at, but then they've got a 1,200, I believe, square foot building down here. I mean, that building over there, I think is the wine producing building. I don't know what you call it, the fermentation building. Not exactly sure what it's called, but we're gonna be doing some exploring today. The driveway definitely needs some help. What are we sharing the showing?
No, I don't know.
Or are these the tenants?
I don't know if anyone's here. There's a couple, because there's tenants here. I guess there's a couple bedrooms we can't see.
Yeah, stuff goes down in those. I want to see those bedrooms. There's one a dungeon. So we had a showing scheduled for this morning, and apparently we can't get in the lockbox without placing a call to the real estate agent before. There's also vehicles here, which I guess there's tenants on this property which aren't supposed to be here, or maybe it's just their cars here. We don't really know. The neighbors are already creeping on us. It's good. It means the neighbors are vigilant. This one's a no-go, man. There's a tarantula up there in that corner. I guess we gotta go look at something else, Skylar.
I know a great condo down the street.
Yeah, you know good condos? It's got golf course views.
Yeah.
Don't gotta deal with this.
That's a black widow, yeah.
That thing's massive, bro.
Oh, that's a popper.
It looks like they tried to cut a road through here for something at some point. I mean, it looks like we're running into the same things we had at that other property. A lot of courts. Good news is the entire property is fenced. That side's got a really nice fence all the way down it, which I'm assuming the other neighbor paid for. Backyard's pretty small here. We'd definitely build a retaining wall out and expand that.
I've never, I mean, what would cause this?
Well, they got a bug zapper up there. These straight like swarms of flies up here. I don't know if you guys can see these on camera. Just masses of flies, the entire porch. Giant wraparound porch. Beautiful view. Tons of flies. All right, buddy. Well, they mentioned main house. Assuming this is the main house.
I'm assuming. Picture made the kitchen look a lot bigger.
All right, little wood burning stove.
Big laundry room. Slash second storage kitchen area.
Huh. So the one thing that's confusing about this property is like it's a winery, but then it's kind of a residence, but then it's kind of rental units, but then it's kind of winery.
That's very common though out here. Well, here's
I like it. Nice and labeled. Does this come with? A little tiny bathroom there.
office, looks like.
Huh. All right. Best wine tasting.
Oh wow, this is kind of cool.
Assuming this was at some point a master bedroom. What is this now? Like a private tasting room?
It's got the fireplace.
Cool fireplace. I'd get rid of the rock and put something else on it, but
There.
we got
Wow.
a little walk-in, mini walk-in. All right.
This is
Don't go in there.
very.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the restaurant, by the way.
Upon entering, please close the locked door skewer. See, I mean, so it's like kind of public, kind of like I don't think this one was really lived in. It's like definitely the winery side of things.
Well, this tile is actually.
That's classic. You want that? I'll tear it out and send it to you if you want it.
Yeah, to his and her closet.
I mean, allegedly. We don't know. Whoa, that's the dungeon. I mean, they got giant mirrors. This place is set up for it. Oh, no, this rod's about to fall. I mean, look at that. You got a beautiful view out the master bedroom. I'm assuming this is the master bedroom, first floor.
No, we've seen the whole bottom row.
Alright.
So I guess you said any doors we're not supposed to go in should be closed. So I'm guessing maybe these two.
Nice balcony.
Look at the pond.
Oh no, shoot, we can get some ducks.
Jet ski jumps.
Oh, see, now you're speaking language. Some jet ski jumps. I'm down on the jet skis. Definitely needs some new doors and a lot of paint.
The built-ins.
Looks like we got another master. Maybe, kind of, yeah.
Yeah, must be. Is there a bathroom right there?
Yeah. Definitely a little of the. I think they're growing something else here in this property. A little more than wine getting grown here.
4 bedrooms upstairs, and then that was the 5th because it's a 5-bedroom.
Gotcha.
With the fireplace.
Yeah, we'll say, Geller. I mean, you can kind of see how quickly we ran through that house. House definitely needs to be renovated.
The land, get all that flat usable. I mean, you got vines up right now, but
oh, I would definitely. If you're a wine lover, you would not want to watch the day that we would just bulldoze all those vines because, yeah, I don't drink. I have no use for wine vines. I don't appreciate the wine arts. I could care less about all that. So we would definitely.
It'd be a nice track.
I mean, it's got a great 4-car garage here.
The winery building is what that is. We're not allowed to look at that unless we have an accepted offer. So.
Oh, God forbid. You know what, Keller? Based on what I smelt upstairs, there is no winery going on in that winery building that they don't want us to go in. Yeah. Oh, we got here a little MG. Oh, this thing's sectioned off.
The garage looks bigger than I thought.
Well, clearly it's been walled off, so I wonder if they're letting other tenants get different garages. A nice old MG.
Yeah.
I don't really know anything about these cars. Oh yeah, we got windows here. We can look in. Oh, dude, what is that?
Oh, dude.
We got a real classic right there. Can only go so far. It goes to where I'm hoping those aren't chicken coops next door. I mean, when we think about it, we could like put a cut right here, build a sweet track right there for our, little pit bike track. Yeah, and we still got the rest of the land to play with.
Well, obviously, you remember the last property we looked at. There was so much more granite in the ground. Yeah. There's not nearly it's not like that here.
I feel like there's a lot of I don't know. Supposedly the owner is wandering around somewhere. We haven't seen it, but I feel like there's a lot of hippie labor going on around here. So that might have been done by hand, and then they gave up. But yeah, this is definitely
all the cut up there.
Yeah. All the wine vines are in quite disarray. You can see this whole area is just completely covered in weeds. So supposedly, like we were saying earlier, that building down there is the wine building, and you're only allowed in with an accepted offer. And based on what we smelt coming out of some of the bedrooms upstairs, there's something else growing other than some wine here, and it might be in that building.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So apparently the whole neighbor's property over there is one big chicken farm, which weirdly I don't smell it right now. Well,
I was surprisingly don't either.
Yeah, actually. Chickens do not smell good. I don't smell any chicken. Let's walk over there. I mean, look at all the flies over here. I think we found our source of the flies is coming from this. Look, we got a rental property though. Surprisingly kind of quiet. Oh, that is gross.
They just live up in there?
Right. Keller, we got to free all the chickens, buddy.
Coming back at midnight.
That's not even a nice chicken farm. Thing's all overgrown and looks crappy.
Notice how they got a lot louder when we got close too.
Yeah, right? But yeah, they're asking, rescue us. Like the property's awesome, but I don't want to live next to a chicken farm, and I don't want 10 billion flies in my house every day. What are these, storage tanks? So the cool thing about this property is it's well and it's city water. Out here, you got to worry about wells drying up depending on what part of the city you're in. To have both is good because a lot of people, if you only have the well, you got to truck in water in the summertime when your well dries up.
They're all in use.
Oh.
Wow.
Well, I guess they got to pump all the water up for
the winery.
Yeah, to water all the vines. Kelly, yeah. I see ducks, I think. Is that a duck?
It looks like a bunny, dude.
Is that a bunny?
In the road?
I can't tell from here. Oh, that was a bunny. All right. I'm not country rhino yet. I'm still learning my animals.
You do have a pond, so you could have ducks. Ducks are cool. Yeah, I had a duck growing up. His name was Quack.
I could weirdly, that doesn't surprise me at all that you had a duck growing up. I don't know. I don't feel like I've known you for that long, but I feel like if somebody's like, yeah, Keller, Keller used to raise ducks, I'd be like,
also a goat.
Makes sense. That I'm on board with. So this is the winery building. Keller, I'm gonna go peek in this window right here.
To me, this is the perfect granny flat. It's just all equipment.
Yeah. It's a pretty tall building because this is like the attic of it. You'll see when we come around the corner over here that it ends up going down into what I'm assuming is their version of their loading dock. Got pallets and stuff.
Look, it's got a roll-up door over there.
I'm assuming they built it low to keep it cool.
Yeah,
go subterranean.
Yeah.
All right, well, we got some big old vats here. Nice tractor. Does this come with?
Look at this. It's probably the wine or the grapes.
Nah, because there ain't none anywhere up there.
Hey, I'm Lord of the Flies.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I thought I heard a beehive. It's just all the flies.
That's gross.
Oh, one's in my ear.
That's like Dave's worst nightmare. We're actually gonna be seeing Dave later today. Dave's biggest fear is flying insects. When he was a kid, he had a bug fly into his ear. And, he kept telling his parents that he had this issue. There's a bug in his ear, and everybody told him he was crazy. They took him to the doctor. The doctor told his parents, your son must be on LSD because there ain't nothing in his ear. And then it turns out, yeah, there actually was a moth in Dave's ear. So,
like living?
Like living. Like if we had been in there for a couple days and nobody believed him. So Dave hates all flying insects. I mean, we would just have to dose all of this.
Now I know why they think their value is where it's at. They're hoping someone comes in and maintains this as a winery.
Yeah, but it's
because
too late.
all the bones are here. You just got to get in, clean all the weeds. Probably some supply lines need to be changed out.
Well, yeah, how do you get in here and clean all these weeds out without destroying all the irrigation?
Yeah, those are in there deep.
Yeah, hell yeah, we'd have like...
It's a lot of, it'd be a lot of labor just to get this to where you would want it. So
right.
It's just flat, usable land.
Like this is all just perfect prime. Build a big old shop over there. And then you still have all this room in between the house. The house is up there. Yeah, I love the land. Absolutely love the land. Don't like living next to Chicken Central over here. It would be immensely expensive to get in here and just level everything, but it's possible. It's just things fighting against us. House, not great. Flies, disgusting. Living next to chicken coop, disgusting.
I've shown him a bunch of properties out here. I've never seen flies like that. I mean, dude, you can't even hang out on your patio.
Well, that was like, yeah, that was one of the biggest features to me. Like it had a beautiful wraparound porch. You see it in the pictures online, and yeah, who wants to hang out there?
What's sad is you can tell no one uses it. Oh, there's ducks, dude.
There are ducks?
Right there.
That's a rabbit.
It's a swimming rabbit.
Yeah.
Throw some beach sand around it.
Right? I mean, how long do you think that's gonna last? It's not even summertime.
It doesn't matter, you can fill it. You have free water. Yeah, look at these ducks, they're like, I'm out. Quack.
Are there any water moccasins around here?
Hope not. Rattlesnakes don't swim.
Yeah, they do.
Ants, your worst nightmare.
Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, don't stand in one place, bro. You taught me that. I mean, I guess we're on a rock. It's probably...
They are black ants, so they're not as mean, but...
I don't know, there's one right behind you.
They are massive, though. Look at these guys.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I was going to walk over there, but there's literally as many ants on the ground right here as there are flies.
Oh, there's the anthill, that's why.
Is this how you have to freaking live out here, dude?
Yeah.
Oh, bye, ducks.
Oh, damn, they're out.
When you're looking for like a normal house in a subdivision, you can pretty much tell everything you need to be able to tell from a picture.
Yeah.
When you start looking at land to see the topography and to see, just how much of it's flat usable, the condition that it's currently in, because obviously they take pictures, in the prime season.
To be honest, those pictures of the inside made it look 10 times better than it
is. Yeah, this house would need a lot of work. And again, they're charging a premium for it because they think you care about it being wine country. Yep, guys, unfortunately, I don't think this one's the one for us. The search continues. Oh, special delivery! Oh my God. My savior, I haven't seen snacks in this place in forever, buddy. Woo!
I rolled up to that place and the guy's like, yo, you want some hand sanitizer? I'm like, sure, man. He goes, sprays me off, and I'm like,
hey, did we Lysol your whole body or what?
yeah.
So you're saying all I had to do was buy you ice cream yesterday and you just come fully stock the warehouse?
Yeah, man, that's it.
Nice, dude.
Skittles, Reese's, Cheez-Its,
Spaglotes,
whatchamacallits.
Oh, dude, Dave's gonna be happy right now. Dave's gonna be happy. He's coming for these
I'm
bad
happy,
boys.
man. These are,
What? We got?
this is a secret, man.
Secret?
This is a secret to my diet.
Oh! Everybody needs to know. Show them. Oh, you don't want them to sell out everywhere?
Nah, man. I don't
Dude,
want
they
to
had
sell
your
it.
flavor?
They had my flavor.
Ooh.
Peanut butter pie.
Peanut
one
butter
bar.
pie.
Dude, those are the shit.
You gonna eat that peanut butter pie?
Yeah.
Chris is getting the warehouse ready for the arrival of our big star guest, Dave. And don't forget, guys, not only do we have the new Work For It hitch covers up on the website, we have also restocked the American flag and the thin blue line American flag Work For It decals, all of which can be found at workforitapparel.com. There'll be a link right there. Oh, he's on the phone. He's on the phone. He's always got to point at the phone now. This is like the longest I think we've ever gone without seeing Dave. He shows up. We don't even get the big Rhino Dave. We just get on the phone Dave, which is a lot less exciting than the Rhino Dave. Must be some big important phone call. Probably lawyers involved is what it sounds like. Look, he's not even gonna hang out with it. He's just walking away. This must be an important phone call. It better be like
He looks tan.
maybe like a family member's got Rona or something. What is going on? Is this like Hollywood Dave?
Looks like he's just got a haircut too.
Right? Is our barber's open?
Seriously.
Hey, we got Hollywood Dave over here. Guy gets a little popular on the channel and then we lose him. All right, Chris, well, we might as well he just uses us for the warehouse now to work on his wife's car. Oh, this guy's gonna be happy to see us. We got Hollywood Dave. He don't even want to see us. Listen, we talk about West being the offer up king, deal king, now the Home Depot deal king.
I bought 3.
Well, where's the other
I
one?
sold it to him
Damn, what's up, dude?
and delivered it too.
Yeah, free delivery. If anybody's looking for a toolbox,
500.
we'll work you a great deal today. That's 150 off. There he is. Hey, this is like the most OBSs we've ever had around here. Long time no see, buddy. Are you alive? You got the Rona? Good to see you, man. There we go. All right. Just get back in the car. Don't even start over. We're not even going to do it.
Obviously, I'm in the military. I know maybe you don't see me showing up on camera because I'm in camouflage, so you might not see me. But I just want to clear a couple things up. So, yes, I come from work a lot of time, and I'm still in uniform. Now, to answer you guys' questions on the covers, all right, this is a Navy-issued command cover, okay? It's called a command ball cap. And in 2014, the U.S. Navy authorized commands to have command-issued ball cap. This is issued from my chain of command when you check in. Still authorized to wear the 8-point cover, but this is much more comfortable and a little more stylish, if I don't say. But every command can have their own ball cap. They design the logo, they'll have their unit on it, or what command it is, and we are allowed to wear them. So I get it, it's not a flat bill, 8-point.
Now Dave wants his credit.
One cool mom, everybody, one cool mom.
And look, my battery's about to die right when he gets out. Watch this.
Found you.
Oh, hey, Dave.
That's Dave.
Hey, Dave. So we get the honor of having the One Cool Mom mobile here today. And yeah, apparently this thing needs a water pump. I don't know if you heard it when he pulled up, but it sounds like the water pump's about to jump out of the vehicle. So the reason Zach's here is Zach's gonna be replacing the water pump, getting Dave's wife all, set back up. Meanwhile, there's a big powwow going on in front of the thing. What do you think, Zach? They're all figuring out how to fix it, right?
Social distancing.
So yeah, social distancing. Dang, Dave, we get the honor of hanging out with you today, even though you didn't want to say hi to me earlier. And you're gonna go for a ride in the truck.
Man, you were just begging for COVID, dude.
Yeah, you ain't kidding, bro. Hold on a second. Guys, not only do we have Dave over at the warehouse for the first time in a long time, we got Dave on a drift trike. Drift, Dave, drift. You don't use the brake, it's all throttle. And it's all at the same time as you shoot the hit. There you go, don't hit my truck, Dave. Now hit it, full throttle, full throttle. There you feel it, there you go, yeah! We got drifting Dave!
Drifting, dog, we're drifting.
All right, guys, well, Zach's about elbow deep here, getting this water pump out in this super narrow, tight space. God, that looks miserable, buddy. Just pull the whole cab off.
Come off.
So we're gonna leave him with this fun. We're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. Zach, I'll let you take it away because you're not busy or nothing.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.